Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 4. Storm in the garden. In our last video, we have discussed about this story. Now today, we will start our work in our Marigold workbook. Now you all know about this story, so let's start our work. Okay, here are some words that we have to read loudly. Okay, so let's start with me. You all have to read these words. Storm, in, garden, snail, playing, friends, aunts, suddenly, hurries, mother, tails, so, heard, visiting, climbed, over, under, great, light, crest, through, quickly, set, still, outside, sky, grew, dark, cross, flew, past, stuck, out, fillers, looked, hiding, flower, home, cried, hurry, worry, went, stone, near, veil, blow, sway, lightning, flash, thunder, roll, water, drip, biggest, ever, been, know and wait. Okay, now our next question. Write the correct option A, D, C or D in the box. So here are some questions. Each question has 4 options. We have to find correct one. Okay. Now these all questions are from that story. So first one is, who was Sunu Sunu? Who was Sunu Sunu? Options are an ant, a snail, an earthworm, a frog. Which is the right answer? Yes, a snail. So here we write letter B. A snail was Sunu Sunu. Who was Sunu Sunu visiting? Who was Sunu Sunu visiting? Ants, snail, fish, earthworm. Yes, which is the right answer? Ants. So here we write letter A. Third one, the ants days all over Sunu Sunu. The ants days all over Sunu Sunu. Jumped, danced, ran, climbed. So right answer is D. Climbed. So here letter D. Okay, now next one. Suddenly days crashed through the clouds. Options are wind, lightning, rain, sun. Which is the right answer? Yes, lightning. So here letter B. Suddenly lightning crashed through the clouds. Fifth one. Where were the ants hiding? Where were the ants hiding? In the hole, in the tree, under a flower pot, under a stone. Which is the right answer? Yes, under a flower pot. So here letter C. Sixth one, the ants told Sunu Sunu to days home. The ants told Sunu Sunu to days home. Hurry, worry, sorry, scurry. Yes, hurry. The ants told Sunu Sunu to hurry home. So here letter A. Where was Sunu Sunu's mother sitting? Where was Sunu Sunu's mother sitting? Options are on a stone near the well, under a stone near the well, under a stone near the tree, under a stone near the hole. Which is the right answer? Yes, under a stone near the well. So here letter B. Next one. Sunu Sunu heard the wind dash. Oh. Options are blow, sway, flash, fall. Which is the right answer? Yes, blow. So here letter A. Sunu Sunu saw trees dash shade. Blow, fall, sway, flash. Which is the right answer? Yes, sway. So here letter C. 10th one. Sunu Sunu saw lightning dash zag. Options are blow, sway, fall, flash. Which is the right answer? Yes, option D, flash. So here letter D. Okay, now next one. Sunu Sunu heard thunder dash gadam. Options are blow, roll, flash, sway. So which is the right answer? Yes, roll. So here letter B. 12th one. Sunu Sunu heard rain dash sita pita pita. Which is the right options are flash, roll, sway, fall. Which is the right answer? Yes, D, fall. So here letter D. Next one. Sunu Sunu heard water dash flip. Options are flash, roll, drip, fall. So which is the right answer? Yes, drip. So here letter C. Okay, now last one. Sunu Sunu did not get wet because options are he did in his cell, he had an umbrella, he sat under a tree, he hid under a flower pot. Which is the right answer? Yes, Sunu Sunu did not get wet because he hid in his cell. So here letter A. Okay, now next is fill in the blanks. Here are some blanks with some options. So we have to fill all these blanks with help of these options. So let's read. Sway, blows, flashes, rolls, falls, drips. So let's start. Thunder. So what is the sound of thunder? Yes, thunder rolls. Wind blows. So wind blows. Next is water. Water drips. So here we write drips. Okay, next is lightning. Lightning flashes. So here we write FLASHES. Fifth one, rain. Rain falls. Then last one is trees. Trees sway. So here we write sway. Okay, now next is look, listen and repeat. Here are some rhyming words that we have to read it. Okay, let's start. Pray, stay, sway. Pray, stay, sway. Black, blow, blue. Black, blow, blue. Clash, dash, flash. Clash, dash, flash. Dog, door, door. Drip, drink, draw. Drip, drink, draw. Okay, now here write two rhyming words. Here are some words. We have to find their rhyming words. Okay, first one is play. So here we have to find words that end with ay. So here stay, 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 and away, away, away. So play, stay, away. Next is blank. So here we have to find some words that start with bl, blank. So I have written here blow, blue. So blow, blow, and blue, blue. So blank, blow, blue. Here third one dog. So we have to find rhyming words that start with do, dog, 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 donkey, donkey, and door, door, dog, donkey, door. Next is brain. So here dr, drink, and draw, drain, drink, draw. Now next, last one is mesh. So we have to find some words that end with ash, mesh. So here flash, flash, and clash, clash. So mesh, flash, clash. Now our next activity is look at the pictures and write the sound words. So here are some pictures given with blanks. In these blanks we have to write their sound words. So first here given many sound words. So let's read boom, ding dong, zoom, beep beep, third, honk honk, splash, pitter patter, tick tock, knock knock. Okay, first one is boom. Which thing sound boom? So here crackers given. Yes, it sounds boom. So here we write boom. Okay, next one is ding dong. Which thing sounds ding dong? Yes, bell. So here we write ding dong. Then next is zoom. Zoom. Which thing sounds zoom? Yes, last one here we write zoom. Then okay, next is beep beep. Which thing sounds beep beep? Yes, phone. So here beep beep. Then third, when anything here a boy falling from the tree. So here sounds third, thud, third. Next is honk honk. So which thing sounds honk honk? Yes, here a man driving a car and it sounds honk honk. Then next is splash. So here a boy playing with water, so it sounds splash. Next is pitter patter. So here we use pitter patter when it's raining. Pitter patter. Then next is tick tock. Which thing sounds tick tock? Yes, clock. Tick tock. Then knock knock. It sounds like door. So here knock knock. Okay, now next activity is look, listen and repeat. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. So here are some words and some pictures with sentences. We have to fill all these blanks with help of these words. So first we will read all the words: in, on, under, over, up, down, behind, in front of. So here first one is, as you can see in this picture, two boys climbing the tree. So the boys are climbing up the tree. So here we write up. Then next one is, here rabbit is, the rabbit is dash the hat. The rabbit is in the hat. Then next is, the dog is dash the kennel. So the dog is in front of the kennel. So here we write front of. The dog is in front of the kennel. Next is, the boy is dash the bed. So as you can see in this picture, the boy is under the bed. So here we write under. Now next is the dog. Here a dog on chair. The dog is dash the chair. So the dog is on the chair. Next is, here a girl in the garden, and the girl is coming dash the slide. So coming down the slide. Down. The girl is coming down the slide. Now next is, the rabbit is dash the tree. In this picture, where is the rabbit? Yes, the rabbit is behind the tree. And last one, the horse is jumping over the fence. So here we write over. Okay, now page number 68. Let's write activity. So here some words given, we have to write it. Okay, so some dotted line first we will complete it. So first word is see. S, start from third line, then H, I, P, sheep, then wind, W, I, N, D, wind. Then next kite, K, I, T, E, kite. Then last one is tree, T, R, double E, tree. Now you have to complete this all words. Okay, thank you.